We are good creations that can only be made perfect by God. We are not evil by nature. Only when we sin and get farther from God, that's when evil tries to destroy us in our incompleteness.
Where can I go to escape your spirit? Where can I flee from your presence? If I ascend to the heavens, you are there. If I make my bed in Sheol, you are there. If I rise on the wings of the dawn, if I settle by the farthest sea, even there, your hand will guide me. Your right hand will hold me fast. If I say, surely the darkness will hide me, and the light become night around me. Even the darkness is not dark to you, but the night shines like the day, for darkness is as light to you. Psalm 139, verse 7 to 12. Indeed, the Lord will never give up on you, nor will He stop calling you, nor will He let go of you. Surely, He will never leave you alone. But do not abuse this truth. For even if God's love never fails, when your time is up, it's up. If you still did not fully accept Him, from there you will be judged on where your eternal ending will be. God loves you so much. God is always with you. God knows you the most. God believes in you. God will never ever give up on you. The love of God is always by your side. TLG by your side. Please pray. See ya.